Hello everyone, Scott Ghost here from AWS in Long Beach. And I want to show you probably the craziest experience I tried today, which is about bungee jumping in XR. So basically, you put a headset, you jump on a weird machine, and then the machine puts you upside down, while at the same time, you feel some haptics, some vibrations, and some, let's say, air in front of your face. So you have really the sensation you're falling down. And I will show you now my performance there. It's been really a super fun experience. Just to give you an early feedback, I think it's the most entertaining thing I had because it's really crazy and everyone is loving it. So you jump on it, you're secured your feet and your hand, etc. And then you basically at the beginning the platforms are just moving and you're just going forward on a rail, and then everyone starts screaming 3, 2, 1. So there is a great group effect, and then bungee, and you go upside down, feeling the air and the vibration for a few seconds, maybe 5, 10, something like that, and then you go a bit up and then down again. It's very simple but very effective. And I think that for some exhibitions, etc., this can be something super fun, also to make videos to show on social media, etc. So love it.
Surprisingly compelling.
Good, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.
Right over here on side.
Okay.
Okay.
On side.
Yeah.
Okay, could you just move down just a little bit to make room for the rest of the group so everybody can see? Okay, this is Joe Maris, and I think he has the best title here. He's the Chief Erie Officer, and he's going to tell you why that is.
Alright, thank you guys for your time and attention. Really quick, do we have one break always here? Or someone who's scared of So this is approximately a 2-minute experience, and we might be able to get through it in time, so everyone's going to tell us. So we are Sinister In. We are the first ever VR haunted house event. So it's a 3-minute experience. We did a lot of we did a lot of research. We went to scary farm, a bunch of horror places to see how long does this usually take. Some like automation and things like that. I don't think it's been since 2017. But we are amusement parks and haunted houses. We've been to a lot of events, and we're looking to expand. So as you can see, he is walking around a 6-foot by 10-foot road. So basically, if you can park along that truss in your driveway, so we built it intentionally to be very small, but also have a very high throughput. So we have an online version where you can see other people go through it and you can see their avatar. So you end up having basically a experience from there in a small area. Our biggest focus was accessibility. So we have 80-year-olds go through it, we have 6-year-olds go through it, we have people who are deaf, people in wheelchairs. There's no controllers, there's no puzzles to solve. Basically, if you can walk and scream, you're going to have a lot of fun. So we were built for...
How do you feel?
It's fantastic. Really, you feel falling down. It's scary. It's falling down also here.
There's a lot of...
Thank you.